Hello friends, in this moment I'm going to teach you about telemetry and data acquisition. The basic principles of telemetry are: telemetry works through sensors at the remote source which measures physical such as precipitation, pressure or temperature, or electrical such as current or voltage data. Furthermore, elements in analog data acquisition are: transducers is translating physical parameters into electrical signals. Second, signal conditioners, which is amplifying, modifying or selecting certain portions of these signals. Third, visual display devices, which is continuous monitoring of the input signals. These devices may include single channel or multi-channel oscilloscope, storage oscilloscope, panel meters, numerical display and others. Fourth, graphic recording instruments is obtaining permanent records of the input data. The next is elements that will affect the auxiliary equipment and system programmer of digital data acquisition system is scanner or multiplexer, which is accepts multiple analog inputs and sequentially connects them to one measuring instrument. Second is signal converter. Translates the analog signal to a form acceptable by the analog to digital converter. An example of a signal converter is an amplifier for amplifying low level voltage generated by thermocouples or strain gaugers. Number 3 is analog to digital. AID converter converts the analog voltage to its equivalent digital form. The output of the converter may be displayed visually and is also available as voltage outputs in discrete steps for the further processing or recording on a digital recorder. The concept of multiplexer and demultiplexer are: a multiplexer is a combination circuit that provides single output but accepts multiple data inputs. A demultiplexer is a combinational circuit that takes single input but that input can be directed through multiple outputs. After that, we're gonna study about the characteristics of frequency division multiplexing (FDM) and time division multiplexing (TDM). In frequency division multiplexing, all the signals operate at the same time with different frequencies. But in time division multiplexing, all the signals operate with same frequency at different times. The time slots are pre-assigned and fixed. The slot is even given if the source is not ready with data at the time. The best method to transmit digital information are: data transmission and data reception is the transfer and reception of data over a point to point. Note that these methods are covered in textbooks named digital transmission or data transmission. For example, The theoretical aspects of data transmission are covered by information theory and coding theory.